Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to delete your university from your Facebook profile, whether you've graduated, transferred, or just want to tidy up your information. The process is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can update your profile in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where your university is listed. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This icon opens the main menu of your Facebook app. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your name or profile picture near the top. Once your profile page is open, tap the Edit Profile button and then select Edit Details. This section is where you can make all changes to the information displayed on your profile. Now, scroll down until you see the Education section. This is where your high school, college, or university details are stored. Locate your university name, and right next to it, you'll see a small pencil icon. Tap on that pencil. This is the edit option. Once you're in the editing screen, look for the option that says Delete School. Tap on Delete School, and Facebook will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Confirm, and your university will be removed from your profile instantly. It's that simple. After making this change, you can scroll back through your profile to double check that your university no longer appears in the Education section. If you ever want to add a new one later, you can return to this same spot and update it anytime. Keeping your Facebook information up to date helps you control what others see and keeps your profile looking clean and professional. Now that you know how easy it is, take a moment to review your other details while you're at it. Thanks for watching.